Dear children, yesterday I taught you lesson first in history, when, where and how. इस लेसन में आपको टाइम लाइन के बारे में पढ़ाया था कि ईसा मसीह के जन्म के पहले के समय को हम बीसी में व्यक्त करते हैं और उनके मृत्यु के बाद को आफ्टर डेथ के बाद को एडी के रूप में हम व्यक्त करते हैं या लिखते हैं। जैसे ईसा के जन्म से पहले 300 वर्ष पहले है 300 बीसी लिखेंगे और डेथ के बाद जब लिखना है या 300 बीसी के रूप में तो नहीं लिखेंगे, 300 एडी के रूप में दर्ज करेंगे। या इसी को आगे और भी बढ़ना है तो 500 एडी के रूप में बढ़ेंगे। 500 साल बाद यदि है तो 500 एडी, बिफोर है तो बीसी लिखेंगे। इस क्रम में आगे हो सकता है। इसी तरह से टाइमलाइन के आधार पर आपको इस लेसन में हमने कल बताया था क्लास 6 में प्री हिस्ट्री के बारे में पढ़ाया गया होगा, एशियंट टाइम के बारे में। अब इसके बारे में बता देने के बाद में आगे हम चलते हैं मिडवल एज। आपको हिस्ट्री एज को 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया था, अर्ली मिडवल एज और मॉडर्न एज। तो इस क्लास 7 में मिडवल एज के बारे में पढ़ाएंगे, मध्यकाल के बारे में। यहाँ लिखते हैं सान्या ऑन रीडिंग biography of Jawaharlal Nehru realized that it had been written into phases covering the different stages of Nehru's life: childhood, schooling, family life, political life, and tenure as the Prime Minister of India. This made her understand one thing, that if writing about an individual life, it has to be divided into phases, then the history of a country surely needs to be divided into different periods of history. Indian history divided into 3 periods: ancient, medieval, and modern. Each period covers several countries and has own distinctive feature. James Mill, a British historian, has divided Indian history into 3 periods: Hindu period, Muslim period, or Christian period. The division was based on the assumption that the religion of the rulers was the only important historical change, and there were on developments and achievement in economy, society and culture. This is based on idea that religion determines history. You have studied about an ancient Indian period in your previous class. Now let's read about medieval Indian history. यहाँ दे रहे हैं नॉलेज कॉर्नर में। The first known historian is the Greek historian Herodotus, also called as the father of history. Herodotus was father of history. Medieval period. Now look at page number 7. The time frame of the medieval period is taken between 8th and 18th century AD in India. It is generally divided into two parts: early medieval period or later medieval period. Early medieval period between 8th century to 12th century AD. Later medieval 13th century to 18th century. The medieval period was period of change in all spheres: political, social, cultural, religious and economic. The major development of period are: the period saw the emergence of various classes. Many Rajput kingdoms came up. It was period of invention. Mahmud of Ghazni and Muhammad Ghori plundered India. Third, this period marked the advent of Islam in India. This period saw the establishment of first Muslim empire in India by Muhammad Ghori, followed by Delhi Sultanate and later the Mughal Empire. The inventors came with the new ideas, new religion and new ways of thinking. New ways of thinking. New technology like Persian wheel in irrigation, the spinning wheel in weaving and fire arm in combat were introduced. Bhakti movement separate which taught love and devotion to God. Many forests were cleared for agriculture. न्यू एंड ओल्ड टेक्नोलॉजीज़ के बारे में कल पढ़ाएंगे। धन्यवाद।